I am constantly getting asked what are clipping websites I can make money with. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing 4 different clipping websites I've personally used and that you can make money with. And if there's any websites I'm missing, please let me know down below in the comments, because I'm always looking for more ways to make money with clipping, especially on this clipping page that I run with 70,000 followers. I clip Caleb Hamer's financial audits. So the first website that I recommend to make money with clipping is clipping.net. And in the month of April, I did the Caleb Hamer campaign on here, and I got paid out $107. And as you can see on here, there are a ton of different campaigns on here for popular creators. And you can just scroll down and see all the different creators on here that you've already heard of most likely. As you can see right here for Impulsive, you have to get at least 100,000 views to qualify to be able to get paid out. Thankfully, I have a bigger account, so it was easy to hit that bare minimum. So just take a look at all these different campaigns that are on here and see what you can qualify for. Some are 50,000 views, but if any of these are a good fit for your page, then you definitely want to check this site out. I will have them all linked down below for you guys to check out. And the next website is doeslow.com. There's Full Send, which is Nelk. They have their own podcast. Impulsive is also on here. There are some smaller podcasters on here. Like as you can see, The Ultimate Human right here, it is paying $1.09 per 1,000 views. And what I really like about Doeslow is that there is no minimum view count to be able to get paid out. And as you click Impulsive, you're going to see it is 30 cents per 1,000 views, because with Impulsive, you're going to end up getting more views with these clips. So the more views that are being generated, the less the RPM is going to be. So if you want to click podcast specifically, politics, this is a good way to get views, because politics is very controversial. It gets people to comment. So you can make a political channel and clip these different podcasts. And I've definitely thought about doing this myself. There's also live streamers on here. So just for instance, I'm going to click this podcast right here. This one's paying 48 cents per 1,000 views. So you definitely want to focus on the live streams, politics, or the podcast page. There's a lot of potential on here to generate a lot of views and to make money on here with not having that bare view minimum. Finding clipping opportunities is one thing, but the next thing after doing that is needing to edit them. And I want to give a big shout out to today's sponsor, WayinVideo. And this website will allow you to clip everything on your pages. It will then find the most viral moments for you, and you will have a ton of clips to choose from. And in their editor, you're going to see a ton of different options with reframing the video, adding subtitles, if you want to add images, sound effects, adding these title cards. And a new feature that I recently used that I actually really like is the speech enhancer feature. And this will automatically reduce background noise, remove filler words, or trim awkward pauses for cleaner, more professional audio. So I got the screen recording from Caleb Hamer, and there was background music in this clip, and obviously I did not want that because I'm going to add my own music in TikTok. So I used this feature, and it literally removed the music that they put in this video. So with having this clean audio feature on, it will then remove the background music in the original clip. If you want to check it out, I will have it linked down below. And when you sign up, you can get 200 credits for free. And if you decide to get a paid plan, make sure to use code Ethan for 25% off. And this tool will just streamline your entire clipping editing process. Another clipping website out there that you might have heard of is called Content Rewards, and this is on WAP. And as you can see on here, there are a ton of different campaigns on here, and a new campaign that actually just got released by WayinVideo. There is a new campaign where you can clip Caleb Hamer's financial audits and make money with this. This is something I am definitely going to be taking advantage of. And of course, they are paying a total of $1.50 per 1,000 views, which is amazing. The only caveat to this is you have to make sure you follow all the requirements, and you have to edit all of these videos in WayinVideo, which does cost money. So use my code Ethan for 25% off, and you can very easily make this money back with making these clips of Caleb Hamer at $1.50 per 1,000 views. That's an insane RPM to have. And you can post these clips on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. So go check out this campaign. I will have it linked down below. Make sure you sign up on Content Rewards to start this campaign today. And the fourth and final clipping app is called ZulaChat. This just came out this last month. This is specifically only on the iPhone App Store. It's just like all these other websites, except this is an app on the iPhone. And there are tons of creators on here. Cam Newton, David Dobrik, FaZe Rug, Nelk, Theo Vaughn. Tons of creators on here and tons of opportunity. Again, this is only on iPhone, so if you're on Android, Android, you unfortunately cannot use this app, but it's definitely a unique app that you can start making money with today. So those are the 4 websites that you guys can use. You can try out, see if you can make money with it starting today. Definitely a lot of opportunity. Really, you just have to stay consistent. I created this page just over 2 years ago now. The one thing I did was stay consistent. I kept putting out clips, and I've earned thousands and thousands of dollars doing this. So if you guys have any questions with clipping, please let me know down below in the comments or join my Discord community. I would love to help out in any way I can. And if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We just hit 17,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you everybody for subscribing and watching the channel. I really appreciate it. And if any of you have any other videos that you want to see on my channel, please let me know. Anyways, I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.